Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel. In this video I want to show you what happens when you rub glass and mirrors with toothpaste. You will need a regular white toothpaste and a soft cloth or napkin. Make sure to use a regular toothpaste, not a gel, and one without large particles. Let's start with a rear view mirror. Apply a small amount of toothpaste to a microfiber cloth and distribute it evenly over the surface. Now polish thoroughly to eliminate streaks. When you apply toothpaste and then rub it in and polish it well, a very thin film remains on the glass surface. It smooths out the micro roughness of the glass and the water doesn't stay in drops but flows down. As a result, there are fewer drops on the rear view mirrors, visibility in the rain becomes better, and the glass stays clean longer. Look how many drops of water there are on an unpolished mirror. And this is what a polished mirror looks like. The view is much better here. Now we will treat the glass from the outside. We will do everything the same way, apply a thin layer and polish thoroughly. After this treatment, water doesn't stick to the glass and visibility in the rain will be much better. You can also rub the inside of the glass with toothpaste. This will prevent it from fogging and clouding. The moisture will be distributed evenly across the glass, preventing water from forming droplets, and the glass will remain clear. Remember that the effect of this type of polishing is temporary and lasts only a few days. Here is a simple life hack using regular toothpaste. Rain flows down, windows fog up less, and visibility improves. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this trick. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe to my channel. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video.